In this session, you will learn how to link a Word document to your PowerPoint. First, hide the other text elements, then copy and paste your selected text field into a Word document. Now save the Word document and return to PowerPoint. Hide the last text box, and then go to the Insert tab and click on Objects. Here, you click on Create from File, and then Browse. Then search for the Word document you just created. Select it. Check the Link checkbox, and then click OK. Now, you have connected to a Word document. Let's test it out. Save and close your PowerPoint, then go back to your Word document. Change some text, save it, and reopen PowerPoint. Click Update Links, and there you go. You have successfully linked a Word document to PowerPoint, making it easy to use as a template.